Stuck with a locked iPhone and no clue how to fix it? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you a simple trick that'll help you unlock any iPhone, and you don't need a computer. That's right, you can do this without any tech skills, just a few taps, and boom, you're in. Keep watching, and I promise, you'll thank me later. Step-by-step process, start with a simple trick. First things first, we're going to kick things off with something super simple. Take your phone and click on the Emergency Call button. Now, get ready to dial a special code. Dial. Just dial this code exactly like I've shown you. Don't skip any part. This is the first step in unlocking your iPhone. Before we go any further, if you're loving the tip so far, hit that subscribe button. I've got plenty more easy-to-follow tricks coming your way. Trust me, you don't want to miss them. Now, let's dial another code to take things to the next level. Dial. Once you've entered this code, just click on it, then hit Cancel again. It might look like a lot of steps, but stay with me, it's all part of the magic. By now, you're probably thinking, is this for real? Trust me, it works like a charm. Just hang in there for the final step, and your phone will be unlocked in no time. Final step, the power combo. Now, this is where the real magic happens. It's time to use the classic power plus volume button combo. Ready? Here's what you need to do. Press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time for 30 seconds. Keep holding them, this part's important. If your phone doesn't reset in 30 seconds, keep pressing for 55 seconds. Don't worry, it'll do the trick. Are you still with me? If you've made it this far, you're doing awesome. Go ahead and smash that like button if this is helping you out. And if you want more helpful, no-nonsense tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll keep bringing you the best tips to make tech life easier. Unlocking the phone, the results. Alright, after holding the buttons for the recommended time, your iPhone will reset, and just like that, it's unlocked. No computer, no hassle, just a simple trick that works every time. Look at that. My phone is up and running, and all the issues are gone. I told you it was easy. That's it for today's video, folks. If this helped you, make sure to hit that like button, share this with your friends, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel for more cool tricks. And don't forget to drop a comment telling me how this worked for you. I love hearing from you guys.